Good morning, you guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Considering I've set it to 11 a.m. start, I'm going to have a little 8-minute chat just while I can wake up a little bit because I didn't have the best sleep last night. So, hello Pico, you are first. That's crazy. When you say you're 69th, you obviously can't count. Then you got Worms. Hello Worms. And then we have Chill and Relax. Hello, Chill and Relax. Worms again. Falcon. Hi, Falcon. Phil's here as well. Ozzy. Hello, Ozzy. Good morning. EDM Guru. Good morning, mate. That's it now for now. Oh, wicked. Just about 6 of yours. Oh, and DJ C is back. Good morning. Okay, I've caught up with everyone. So everyone say their hellos now so you don't spam a chat. No, not slush yet. That'll be a bit later. I want to start with something smaller. So, and this one's going to be an interesting one. So, hopefully it's not going to be... Oh, undergrow here. Not going to be too difficult. Hopefully it's an easy fix. So, that'd be nice to see. It is AC, something with AC. So, yes. What was I going to say? Update on the forklift module things. So one of them's working, the other one's not, because there's probably some more hidden caps that is not working. And I said, look, the only way I could test them is by taking all the capacitors out of circuit and test them. I said I can't do that. But and then he messaged me today telling me that one of them works because he tried it with a known working one. The first one that I did actually works. The second one doesn't. And he said, is there not a way you could test it, like, instead of taking them out? I said, there is. There's this thing called the Atlas Peak that you could test things in circuit. And I said, I'll order it next week. Yeah, so I'm going to order it next week and continue, because it's not a cheap device. And how often do I need to test it in circuit? Things, I could just take the capacitors out usually. Who else we got? Undergrow, I think I said hello. Interesting things. Hi, Nick Boff. Hello. Oi, oi, the chat. Oh, and Andy. Oi, Alti. Yes, you're first. Let's go. You should be in bed by now, right? That's the point. I need to select my stream because it says I am not got a stream selected. So let's have a look. So that means I still got to do more of those bloody forklift things. Ah, so what's up? You're going to do more? Yeah, he's brought another one. I've got 2 more to do now. I don't sleep like an old man and like old Aunt Mandy. What do you mean? I didn't sleep till gone 3 o'clock. Hey, look at my score. I didn't wake up till 10 o'clock. Luckily, the missus took the kids to school because I slept through my alarm. I turned it off and forgot to get up. I was sorting out drawers today. Don't know why I started. Got millions of components to go through. Damn. Any update on the the turntable? No, I forgot to get back to him, to be honest. It's so hard. I've lost his number. I forgot to get back to him and now his number's buried. I don't know which one he was. Forklift EV 5 minutes for a man of your skills. Yeah. It's so soldered on there. I mean, let me have a quick look at the other one. He's brought another one and he's marked it where he thinks it's bad. But again, there's no point doing that because there could be hidden capacitors that are bad as well. Not only the MOSFET. Which one? Oh, that's the newer one because it's got a chunk on the end. So he's happy for me to keep going ahead and trying to repair him but it's just hard, you know? Like, where's he marked it on this one? There you go. He's put a dot on that cap. Oh, yeah, I can see a split capacitor in there. But there could be other capacitors that have gone as well. It could be a MOSFET that's blown under it and the cap. And that's even tighter to get to. Jesus. So you've got 2 rows of caps. It's really hard to show you. On one side, you've got 2 rows of caps. On the other one, you've only got 1 row of caps, which is even tighter space. It's ridiculous. That one you got 2 rows, and on that side you only got 1 row. It's ridiculous, and it's a thick chunk of metal. By a Weller, what? Alty, this is caked in bloody metal heatsink. Shane the football. Oh, I did manage to watch it in the end, thanks to James. Annoyingly, my dad and Sean Cosway, they both was able to watch it on their IPTV, and I couldn't get it working on mine. I could only find 2 channels and it wouldn't play. But then James sent me a link on a PC that I could stream it from, and then I hooked up to my TV, my laptop to my TV, so I watched it. We lost anyway, still 3-2, same as before. They're just too good. Twice they've beat us 3-2. You have both ceramic and electrolytic caps. Yeah, Simon. I would love to power that up with more power than it should to have watched all those caps explode. What? I don't think I've ever fully saw you do last one. Did you not? Oh, I did do one on stream. I think one I did off stream. I wonder why she wants a divorce. Shut up, Alty. No, not yet, Alty. My stream was scheduled to 11 o'clock. And I just want to have a little chin wag before 11 o'clock. EDM Guru? Yeah, I would love to do that. Or I could just buy the Peak. The Atlas Peak. I told him it's an expensive piece of equipment and that I'll order it next week. But the thing is, I won't use it much. Because I could just take out capacitors and stick it in my cheap thing. That's why I kind of don't want to buy it at the same time. Oh yeah, why does my phone keep going off? Morning, hope you have a great day. Oh, thanks, Dad. What is it? Google. Thank you. Thank you. You also just started streaming. My beard is getting really itchy now. Yeah. Look at that. It's getting really bushy. I need to start combing it soon. Hot cross bun. Oh, bloody, I was getting hot in here now. Jeez. Okay, so I think he's responded. No, it's my dad. Right, I guess it's 11 a.m. Let's switch cameras and see what we got. It's getting hot. Hold on. Hot cross bun for me at 11 a.m. with butter. Remember the Orange Tango ads when a guy come along and slapped you? I don't know. Pot noodle, I do. When you say the pot noodle word, they slap you. Wait, get some deep throat on your beard. Oi! No, I'm not getting deep heat on it. Right, here we go. Ready? This is what I got in 3. Hello, Peter Dunlop. 2, 1. Beautiful. Look at this. Would you look at that? Such a nice colour. Oh, got some... What? Nick Boff. Why is the Peak better than your cheapo one? Because you could test the capacitors in circuits with the Peak. I did see it down to £90 at one point, but it's gone back up. And it's by Rapid Electronics as well, which is pretty cool. Phil, you know Rapid. It's £100.50, but it went down to £90. That's why I added it, but now it's gone back up, so I cry. And there's no offer button, otherwise I send him an offer. So if I go into description, it says here, where do I see it? There you go. You can even use the Atlas ESR70 in circuit, saving you trouble of removing capacitors. When testing capacitors out of circuit, the unit will also display the capacitance. So, yeah, you paid 90 for mine. Yeah, chill and relax. I saw it down at £90 at one point, but it's gone back up, so I kind of don't want to buy it. You should do a comparison. Yeah, I should do. And it's made in the UK. I'm not joking.
It's like...
Hope it's not like their cars. What, Atlas? Right, let me crack into this. Apparently, it keeps blowing internal fuses. Now, I don't know what he means by internal fuses. So this is a DC to AC inverter. So you put 12 volts in, and then it gives you 200 odd, whatever it is, out. 240 volts. They sold us some fuses. Yeah. But how does he know the internal fuses keep blowing? But has he already been into it? Oh, he has already been into it. Oh, okay. Because he has given me a bag of fuses. You've wasted your money, Andy. What on? What EDM going? What have I wasted my money on? I haven't bought anything yet, EDM. Sometimes they spade. Yeah, these are spade fuses. I don't see any blown ones here, though. Oh, yeah, that's a blown one. So there's a short on it, obviously. Okay, I haven't even bought it yet, EDM. Why is that a waste of money, by the way? A few people recommended that. What one do you recommend? It's AC/DC's cover bands called DCAC? Maybe. All right, let's get into it. I don't really want to plug it in. No. Outie, shut. Thank you, Outie, for the $3 Australian. Why has it not come up on my screen? Am I not getting any alerts today? I think I know why. I think because I forgot to plug in my Ethernet cable before I powered up OBS Studio. It won't test caps if they're connected to a transformer or inductor, so you have to remove them anyway. Oh. Which one do you recommend, EDM? Wow. Oh, that's just the fan. I don't need to take that one off. Wow. You blocked me? No. Yeah, sorry, Simon. Yeah, I just realised that. Hello, John. Good morning, buddy. Always best to test caps out of circuit ready. Yes, I know, but in this instance, that's not. What's the word I'm looking for? That's not. There's no magic solution. You have to remove all the caps and test them sometimes. Yeah. I get that. On CPC site, is that Vince? Is that including postage? Yeah, it's not practical. That's the word. Thank you, EDM. Whoa. This top's coming off already. Amazing. So I could easily get to the top. I guess, and the bottom. I guess they both come out. Maybe I only needed to undo the top. Oh, you're a legend. That is a bargain. 8640 on CPC. I've ordered from them recently, so I've got an account. What's the up arrow mean? Wow. Talk down a lot. So I'm just undoing screws, nothing exciting. So these are actually cheaper than I thought they would be, you know. Oh wow, okay, well that just comes off as well. Right, I need to separate this completely. Let's take this off. Oh, Okay. It's nice, isn't it? Look at that. Well, that won't really come off. Ugh. Wow, yeah, there's a lot of fuses in there. I need to figure out how to set this whole thing out. So I take it this board slides off. Anything obvious? Can anyone see anything obvious yet? Yo, PLD in the house. Guess it needs to be slid that way because these wires are way too tight. So push. Is there screws underneath? Oh, there's screws along here. Right, we've got some huge caps on this side. Look at the size of those big boys. 450 volts. Then they're probably in. It's not even that old. It's always best to take it fully out of its shell so you can test everything. Is the short on the AC side or the DC side? Can't see anything. It's best to do an inspection first. He gets about, hey Squish, oh, yo, grass puddle. I think it's free shipping over 20 quid. If that is, I'm going to order it now before it goes up again. Electro Rep's here as well. Oh no, Electro Rep MacGyver got sent his power on-screen display meter today. Oh, what, for the bench power supply, Paul Daniels? Yeah, a lot of MOSFETs bolted on one side. Oh yeah, there isn't there. Yeah, both sides actually. There's MOSFETs on both sides. As long as, oh no, they got. Are you kidding me? How the fudge am I supposed to do that? There's nuts on behind every single one. Hey? The new meat I have conjured up, sent it off to someone so they can make a case like the. Oh, that's wicked. Rapid is 100 with VAT and delivery. What the fudge? Oh, £100. Yeah, but it says at eBay, and eBay's. I like the CPC one being under £90. CPC. What's it? Atlas Peak. Great. So I'm not going to be able to get this out of here. That is stupid. I'm trying to think. Why on earth have you got a nut behind? There's literally no way I could get there to hold the nut in. Non-serviceable. That's so annoying. Because what I can do is take them out and I'll never be able to get those screws back in. I can't get my finger in there neither to hold the nuts. Yes, free delivery on ESR meter. That's amazing. Walk away from this job. No PLD. Let me think. Maybe it's nothing to do with this board, although the fuses are here. Let's have a little probe around.
I've got a really small one.
Have you, James? Like, see, it could be any of those MOSFETs. It could be anything. Right. Let's have a look. Don't know if those capacitors are charged. Oh, I've got spare of these ones. I had to buy some of them. Let's start off with. Oh, Jesus, there's 3 different boards. Doubt if it'll be on the. Would it be on the AC side? Well, I could plug in my bench power supply in here, give it a few volts to see if the shorts... Well, the fuse might have blown though, right? Let's try the fuses first. Yeah, blown, blown, and blown. Wow, all three of them are blown.
I'm not joking. It's like...
Is it?
Oh no!
So maybe if I could put voltage on one side to the... Ah, where's the ground? There. But that's not short. No, that's not ground. That's positive because it's a fuse. So there is a short there, no? No, stop beeping now. You've run out of charge. No, it was fine. It was just charged. I can't get into anything below your feet. Indeed, waiting for that. Hello, All Things UK. Hello. I can't get into anything. It's all just covered. Oh, there's even more fuses on that side. What the fudge? This is where the main power goes in. Oh, that one's okay. That one's okay. That one's okay. Right, so it seems to be on this side. Okay, that's kind of cool. Narrowed it down slightly. Now, is there a short on these two? Or is it something to do with this side? That's on the same rail. Yeah, there's a short between those two. Black and the red. So if I just inject voltage onto there, hopefully something will show up. But it is straight after these things though. Let me disconnect these. So we've got a black and red spade connectors. Oh, I bloody hate these. I know they've got a little button. There you go. Pinch. Pinch and pull. Are they actually fuses or something else? They're 100% fuses. Yeah, they are fuses. Oh, there you go. Right, we've got HV plus and HV minus. So that's where they go. Now, is the short on here? No short on this one. What are we reading in ohms? We're in good ohms. But these two are reading dead short. Okay, at least we're getting somewhere. So it's still to do with this board here. That's getting hot. I doubt there are that many. There's 6 fuses on here. And the fuses are these ones, like in cars. MOSFET short, you reckon? If it is, I can't test these MOSFETs. I will have to plug in... I'll inject voltage onto this side and see what does get warm with a thermal camera. At least I could see the MOSFETs from the top, so maybe one of them may glow. But it is... Ew! What's this? Ew! It's not even...
Oh no!
Shut-outy. Nothing like a job where you can blow 10 MOSFETs in one go. Yeah, I know, but the thing is... anything on that board I can't get to unless it's in this area here. Right, let's do it. I'm going to inject the whole 230 volts. No, not really. Thermal compound. Yeah, but why is it at the top there? On a wire. It's like it's supposed to be glued. Oh, no, that's a thermocouple. I think that's a thermocouple. Yeah. NTC. Yeah, there you go. I forgot what that stands for. So I think thermal capacitor, a couple. What's the N? Right, changing it to, I'll start off with 50 millivolts. Here we go, bench power supply. Look at that, 2 amps already. Negative, negative thermocouple. Thanks, guys. Liked and subbed. Oh, thank you all things, UK, I appreciate it. I'm not getting any notifications anymore. Usually I get call outs on who's subbing and stuff. Oh, there you go. NCT. No, it's NTC, Phil, but negative temperature coefficient resistor. There you go. That sounds probably more realistic. Do you know PCDD repairs? He wants to install it. Give it away. Yeah, of course I know PCDD. PCDD, little ship. Yo, Mr. Brown. Can I do a delay test? Because it seems like you guys took ages to respond to that. I'm going to say a number. Yeah, that's it. I'm going to say a number between 1 and 30. I want you guys to type it in chat and then I'll start counting. So the number I'm going to say is 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. Okay, there's no delay. All right, it's 4 seconds. Oh man, I'm getting all good streams today. Yo, Indy. Thank you, Indy Dev Trade. Right, anyway, right, here we go. Let me get my thermal cam out. Yeah, all right, guys, I got it. 34. No notifications. Has PCD been on your OBS? No. I don't know if you can add Linux on here. Command. Dreams. Hi, Dreams. Let's have a look. 50 millivolts is pulling 2 amps. 2.5 on it. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, God, that glare. Huh? No, it's probably being sucked up by the heat. 2.6 amps. Oh, I don't see anything. Slight glow. That's a pain. I might even have to go a bit hotter because of the heat sinks. Do you reckon it is a MOSFET? Yeah, you'll need more amps. I know, but I could only max out with... Let me go higher voltage to 1 amp. We're going to max out. There you go. Max out is 5.2 amps. That's only as much as it'll go. Oh, bugger. There's a proper short in there somewhere. No. Oh, hello. No, that's just on the positive lead's gone red. Or is that the negative lead? That's the negative lead that's hot. Just where it's pulling it to ground, isn't it? Ah. Negative leads, obviously, because it's going straight to ground. Nope, that didn't work in my case then. In theory, I need to take it out. I need to take this out.
Oh no!
It's too much heatsink. The wire is shorted. Whoa. Yeah, these two are shorted, yeah. I don't know if I should let him know. Look, I can take this out and probably sort it because it's obviously one of these MOSFETs. There won't be anything on here that's causing the short, would it? I didn't check the other board. It might still be on the other boards. No, I didn't check the other boards. Well, I could always just disconnect them all. Yeah. Can I disconnect them? Yes, I can. Let me take a picture. Disconnect them. Put the inverter down, Andy, and walk away into the sunset. Yeah, if might have to say this with my car because of all the nuts. So all those MOSFETs won't be stuck against the heatsink. That sucks. Why would you screw it to the bloody base? Hang on, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can I get tweezers in there to hold it? Potentially. On that side I can. No, that side I can't. No, can't get in there. Andy is cheap. Outie, what's with the negative things all the time, man? Price replacement device and divide by 3. If you can fix it and make a decent bit for yourself, or refuse the job. They want 100 quid to replace. No, it looks like that rail slides out. Yeah, I know, the whole unit will slide out that way. But I need to unscrew all of these screws on that side and on this side, which is holding these heat sinks together to the MOSFETs. But they've all got nuts behind these screws. And I can't get to the nuts to hold them. Wait, does this bottom come off? No, it's all... Wait, does it come off? Does it separate? No. See, that's what they should have done. They should have turned it into like a 3-piece unit. Like have one center one to slide in the board. Shit. Oh, right, anyway, let me disconnect these like I said I was going to do. So we've got the LED, ZT, whatever that is. Then we've got the GUI, IOG. What's that? Oh, it could be for the... Oh. It's for the controller socket. Maybe. Then you got... the JK... What? Can't you just undo the screw? I can EDM, yes. And then the nuts will fall off unless they're stuck on. Do you reckon the nuts are stuck on the heatsink? I don't know. They might be molded to the heatsink. Oh, no, hang on. Hang on a minute. They are, I think. I think they're molded on. Oh, my God. That makes sense, doesn't it? Yeah, they're molded on. Oh, okay, that's cool. All right, here we go then. Let's continue taking it off. Good GG. Nice. Yeah. I'm not a Muppet. Oh, look, these are... Guys, I've never experienced that before, okay? It's the first time. Need someone from West Ham in here now. Why is that? Oh, we got all the different football groups. Got Oldham, Swindon, Green Street. Yeah, let me still disconnect these. Right, there you go. Now I can separate this. Oh no, that thermocouple. Nope, that's good. Let's remove this. God, that's peeing it down out there. Does molded mean threaded? Molded means like stuck onto the metal itself, built in on it, sort of thing. Molded together. Let me see if that short is still there. Reason being is because I've just disconnected everything else. Yeah, still a dead short. I don't think you can see my typing. Yeah, I can see your typing. There's a lot of people just talking. Sorry about you worry about the younger generation. Green Street. What's Green Street? That's a film, isn't it? Ew. I want to taste the lightning. No. No lightning. Yo, Red Dragon, you're here early today. Nice. Hello. You're injecting into the output. Yes, correct. You could do that. I've done it before. You inject voltage into the output and it goes backwards, and I think last time it was a diode. Why is the door going off? Oh, the missus might be having a fag at the front. I'm half expecting that it's actually normal value for the output. What, being a 5 amp draw though? Oh, look, it's come out. Yeah, hold on. There you go, now it's coming out. There we go. Oh, that rain. That's crazy. These metal shieldings are literally just stuck on. Oh my god. And this is at the front door, so the door's going to keep going off. Look under for bird. Yeah, I'm looking. I'm trying to inspect. I'm guessing it might be one of those FETs, because that's all there is. There's those transformers, a few caps. We've got the buzzer there as well as the speaker there. And just MOSFETs. Oh, is that more fuses? Oh my god, there's even more fuses. How many fuses does this want to take? 3, 6, 9, 12 fuses. Yeah, I don't see any burn marks. No dark spots. I'm just going to have to manually test them. It's a CMP3205B. Okay. Sniff test. Smells alright. There's not really much in it. Okay, so obviously it's not going to be short on this side because the fuses have blown. So it's obviously interrupted that. Interrupted the power there, right? No, there is still a short on that side. Okay, maybe I'll do it from that side. Instead of from the output, I'll do it from the input. So why, if there's, oh, okay, so there might still be, I don't know. If the fuses are blown, I don't know why it's still short. Let's go. Red, black. I'm going to do 50 millivolts again, just to be careful. Inject voltage and leave it connected for a good few minutes. Look at the thermal cam to narrow down the search. Need to be an affected heat sink to warm up. I mean, I could take off all these heat sinks anyway, but there's just going to be a pain to put it all back on to the MOSFETs, and I'd rather not do that. And blew the bits. Oh, sorry, what did you say, Phil, before that? The fuses went before I had a chance to blow a trace and blew bits. Okay, here we go. Ready? No. There's no short on this side. Nope, there's no short on this side. Because the fuse has blown. We're at 1 volt. I guess capacitors were still charged. So it is still on the output side somewhere because of the fuse. It's obviously cut the connection. Right. We do it on this side then. Just do what Dream said, leave it so it warms up a bit because of the damn heat sinks. There is just so shorted it can't get any voltage built up because there's no real resistance. Here we go. There we go, back to 5.2 amps. And your wires just heat up. Just gonna stare at these MOSFETs. I'll just have to start testing in a minute. If I don't see anything under the thermal cam. You guys can't see what I'm seeing yet. Stone cold there. It's only heating up a little bit. It's only at 40 degrees on the negative wire. Hopefully you get some air on the machine warming up slightly. Hopefully, yeah. Yeah, I know. It's only at 25 degrees, the negative wire. Bloody reflection. I can't hardly see anything. No. Yeah, it's too much heat soak. The MOSFETs have strong legs. Yeah, I'm going to have to manually test. Could check bottom of board also for heat soak. Oh, yes. Good idea. If not, I'll just test them manually. Here, because there's a slight heat soak there, but that's because of the output. This, maybe? That corner looks a bit glowy. Oh, you can't see. But there's nothing there. Or is that just where I flipped it over and I might have warmed the board up a little bit? Yeah, I think I may have warmed the board up a little bit. No, I can't really see anything other than reflections. Right, let me just do it manually. I'm only at 4 watts, 5 watts. Yeah. So it's not going to be enough. Right, okay. Obviously, it outputs a lot more than that. It should output over 240 volts. Okay, where do I start? I'm going to start with the MOSFET legs first. Maybe it's not a MOSFET issue. Yeah, continuity. Is it 12 volts in? Yeah, 12 volts in, 240 out. Well, I've got little pins at the bottom here, so... Is that normal? I guess it is. Should those two be ground? The middle and the right one? I've got to figure out what this is. So they all read like that on that side. Let me try the other one. Yeah, they are supposed to be like that. That's weird. Hang on, but that one's not doing it. No. Those are not doing it. Oh my god. So it's not supposed to be shorted. Any leg. Oh yeah, it is. That one is though. No, it's not. Dead short. Okay, right. Here we go. So none of these are shorted together. Oh, that one is. No, it's not. It's just because it had residue in it. So this is all charged. So these ones are fine because they're not shorted. This side are all short on the MOSFET legs, like these two, middle and the end one. So that's... No, that's fine as well. Where's the dead short ones then? Down there. Okay, I think we've got the section. Yeah, that's fine there. That should... No, because that's dead short as well. Nope, that's fine now. Damn, it's got charge in it. Alright, let me try and short it out then. It's obviously got power in the... whatchamacallits. Hopefully the issue's down here. I should do it in diode mode, really. Yeah, no short. You bugger. You bugger. No, I've got to do my test all over again. The results were skewed. What? Look, glare on the multimeter. I know, it's the stupid light. So I'm not even in... There you go. Let me go into diode mode. Now diode mode is going to charge the caps in it. I'll stick to continuity. So, see, that's showing us... No, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. 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 I don't think it's these FETs. What the hell could it be then? Something on the other end of the board? Fine. Fine. Okay, that's that side. Now it's this side. Fine. 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 Sorry if you guys can't see. I don't know if I tested that one already. This one looks a bit iffy, but it seems fine. That's fine. You still see it? Yeah, you can. That's fine. Fine. It's fine. It's fine. And fine. So they're actually okay. What else can it be? Something on this bit? There's not really much to it. I don't know. I guess what I can do is change the fuses, the ones that are blown, and inject a small amount of current in there from this side. Is Mike acting up or is it just me? I don't know. Is my mic okay? It's probably because I'm... No, I don't know. Is my mic acting up? If you bend the heatsink back, you'll be able to actually see, yeah. I just don't want it coming off the MOSFETs. They're MOSFET driver fitted. Well, there's nothing on this side other than caps and transformers. And fan connectors. And the only thing that has got other chips and stuff is on this side. Yeah. Okay, baby. I love you. We've got quite a lot of components here. But I don't think this is to do with the output. I think this is more of the... I don't know. That could be the main driver. I don't know what that is. Chip, maybe, for... I could check around here for shorts, but I don't think it will be short here. Is that marked? Why can't I see the marking on that? What did Carthel say? It probably just beeps like Carthel said that messes with Mike. Could be. You give it a go. That chip don't look good. What, the one with no text on it? I don't know why I can't see any reading on it. Any shorts on small caps? That's a good shout as well. Yes! What dreams? Dreams. What? You put look, but I don't see anything from you. Your volume goes down when the multimeter peeps and then goes up. Oh, that's fine then. That's good though, isn't it? Seems alright. What, really badly down? Look at my previous. Oh, I don't know where your previous is, Dreams, man. It's scrolled down too much. Hang on. Let me zoom up. What did you... Oh, I'm on top chat. That's why. Let me go to live chat. There you are. Does the output wires you inject go straight? Yeah, it does. Yes, it does. I know, that's what I was thinking. I was like, oh no, it's probably normal. Because it's 0 ohm output. It's right next to transformer. There's the outputs, and the transformers are there on both sides. Stop chatting. That's normal then. Ah, I thought so. So why are these fuses blowing though? Oh well, that's come off of it anyway, so might as well take them all off. Especially to get to these fuses. Yeah, it goes from the legs of the transformers. Right, okay, let me check these fuses down here. There's a lot more fuses that I couldn't test. So that's blown. That's blown. That's blown. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. So these ones are blown. It seems like all... Oh, that's fine. So it's just these back ones. But there's nothing there. If I flip it around, apart from the input. They're here. No, that's showing it is connected. Oh no, it's this side. Yeah. The fuses are working. So why is it not reading at the top? Pull one out. I'll get confused with this thing now. If no shorts, replace fuses and try it. Yeah. That's what the customer's already done. But I don't think he managed to get to these fuses. So I don't see any shorts. Oh my god, I need a fuse extractor. Yeah, that's blown. So that's blown. That means they'll all be blown. Is there a short on there actually though? There isn't though, is there? Yeah, there is. But again, it's probably going to a transformer? No, that's not. It's just a dead fuse that goes into the transformer. Oh no! Hang on. There is a short on there. That's why it was beeping. Like it was... connected. Yeah, that's blown as well. Yeah, they're all three blown. Just need to put a jumper in there. Yeah, that's a good idea, yeah, to check for shorts. Now slowly inject voltage. Oh no, we're not.
Got a really small one.
We're not short now. I'm so confused. No more short. Oh no, that just means it's not connected. Have you, James? Yeah, we've got a short on that side.
It's like...
No, that's the negative. Why, you douchebag. Yeah, look, see? Why is it 0 ohms on both? Try and short it out. Maybe there's power in it. This is probably just a 12-volt input reverse mistake when it blew the... Yeah, but why is there short? If I go to negative... Oh no, yeah, we are okay. I was on the positive side, whoops. Yeah, there's no short. Maybe, yeah, maybe that is right. I guess I'm going to have to just replace the fuses. Now, why is there one of these in there? What's he taking that from? That's like some sort of... MOSFET cover thing. Okay. I think that's what I think, Dreams. Yeah, they just put the reverse polarity in and blown the fuses. What's that? They all 30 amps, spare fuse. I think they're all 30s anyway. 30. 30. Yeah, there's no shorts on this side, so why did they blow? Right, that's one plugged in. Two plugged almost. Especially if it was connected wrong by mistake. Yeah. Looks like a clamp to hold the case down. Maybe. Okay. But he did say it keeps blowing internal fuses. Whoops. Didn't mean to push that. Right. We ready to see? I'm going to start off with low voltage, see if it pulls anything, because it shouldn't do really. But then it might output 240 volts there, look. Well, let's see if we get any output from there. That's probably the main thing, right? Yeah, it is a clamp for holding the FETs down, yeah, but I don't think it's from this board. That's why I was looking behind me. Oh, yeah, I see it. Yeah, there's one missing from this side. Because all I saw originally was these ones here. But look on the other side, there's one missing there. So we'll have to replace that one. God, I'm desperate for a vape. Stand back. Oh, yeah, I can't even use my dim bulb tester, can I? Because it's inverted. Ready for the boom? I'm going to start off with 1 volt first, guys. Hold on. Let's go into voltage, AC. Here we go. Oh, no, may help if I connect the leads. Maybe diode not working expect. Oh, sorry, we've got an ad for people. I'll wait for the ad to finish first. Sorry for the anticipations, whatever you call it. And anticipation. It'll beep at 1 volt. Could put dim bulb on output. Oh yeah, I could do. GT Auto, morning. Right, is that all the ads finished for people? I think so. Right, ready? 1 volt, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay. Let's see if we've got any output. We're not drawing anything. No, you can't. No, because it needs an input. Oh yeah, I was going to AC. How much will it give me out? I don't know if it'll even work at this low voltage. Testing, you know, testing and learning. No, nothing. Okay, gonna go up slowly. 2, 3, 4. Whoa, I don't want these touching, do I? Jesus Christ. This is dodgy now. I should have disconnected the wires completely. You need 12 volt. I know, I'm just going up slowly. What we're getting at the minute. Still nothing. Okay. I don't like these wires. Hang on. I'm going to take the wires off because I'd rather probe the actual connectors themselves rather than wires jumping everywhere. Where's the clampy button? Is it there? Yeah, okay. Plus, negative. That's it. Okay, here we go. 12 volts, going straight to 12 volts. All right, you ready? Actually, I don't feel safe. I'm gonna wear my safety goggles. I bet it's fine. Cam on 100 volts. What? Put the output wires in IPA. Yeah, 10 amps. 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're good. Not drawing anything, obviously, because there's nothing plugged in. But are we going to get any voltage? No risk, no fun. Here we go. No. Why is there no output? Is there more shorted fuses? Probably. I'm going to have to take the fuses out myself manually and test them. Is the front panel connected? Nothing's connected. More power. It's a 12 volt bloody thing. This is the front panel. Wait, you reckon it would need to be connected to... Oh, I see. No, I don't. I guess I'll have to connect everything in and test. Okay. Is there an on switch? Yeah, there is an on switch. But still, it should be outputting something. I will connect everything again and test. Or I just pull out all the fuses and test first. Let me have a look if any more is blown. Because I've got more on this side, but I'm pretty sure they're okay. Pull out a I can see that's physically fine. Yeah, these ones are blown. So why is it why is it still showing as a short then? That's what I don't get. It's still... Oh, it's not. Did it silently blow it? No way, it didn't draw anything to blow. Blown. I'm gonna run out of fuses at this point. Blown. Blown. Okay, now let me check for continuity. No, that's fine. That's a 0 ohm. Nothing. Not reading anything. Hang on. Let me go to negative. Got 0 ohms there though. And try and sort it out. Whoa, saw a little spark then. So that had power through it anyway. There we go. Yeah, it's not short. That's fine. So that's... No, it is short still. That's literally going straight from positive. Or is it just a red herring because of the transformers? Because it goes straight to transformer. It's not short that side, look. Oh no, it's fine now. There's no short. Okay, that seems to be fine. No short there. Right, they're blown.
And he's pissed.
Yo, hello, Russ. Hey, I don't pay for YouTube Premium to wait for others' ad breaks. Oh, sorry. I see. Sorry, Russ.
I'm not joking. It's like...
Is it MK? Residual power and cat's telling me it's all fine. Yeah, that's what I'm kind of thinking. Just blown.
I've got a really small one.
Have you, James? How big is it? Right, they look fine. They look fine. Those look blown as well. These ones here are blown. I think all of them were blown. And he's obviously replaced just a few of them, these ones, and it still didn't work. Yeah, so these back ones are blown as well. Which these ones are harder to get into. Yeah, that's blown. It's blown. Well, that one's really blown. That one caught fire almost. There's a slight brown patch there. I was only joking, Andy. I don't mind the wait. Sorry. Are you behind as well, Russ? Because I waited for people ages ago. Unless you were listening and you've only just responded. How small is it, James? Yeah, I'm waiting for the answer. Nobody responded. Does anyone know how big James's is? Yeah, I might have to, GT Auto. If it keeps blowing the fuses, I'm going to have to use wire.
I'm not joking. It's like...
Is it? Man, you're throwing them fuses away. Well, these are all blown anyway to begin with. They're cheap anyway. I'm pretty sure I've got a pack of these in the car. Because one of my fuses blew in the car. These are all good ones. I mean, if it blows again, then I will just use wire. But no, that's a blown fuse. That looks good. That looks good. That's a blown fuse. Blown fuse. Oh, one more good fuse. Damn, the rest are all blown. This is my last shot. One in. Two in. Better not slowly blow it. Okay, now all fuses have been replaced. They all look good. They all look good. Can't really see that one. They look good, and that one I've just replaced. Looks good. Okay. What? For them all to blow like that is 100% been attacked by car battery in reverse polarity. Amazing. Well, let's hopefully this is the fix. Then it'll be an easy fix then. Sort of. Right. Let's get my... I'm going to start off with low though. Car battery has a lot of amps as well. Hello, James. I'm good, man. Thank you. How are you? I would also put back in its shell and screw the FETs. What, before testing? What's wrong with just quickly testing it like this? It'll only be for a second. See, it's even drawing one. Oh, it's volt. Sorry, I can't speak. It's dropping its voltage now, so it must be some sort of charge in there. Yeah, there's still some charge in there. It's crazy. All right, let me put it back in its case. That means I've got to screw it all back together. That's just too much, Dreams. That means I've got to screw all these down and connect all the wires. No, that's true. All right, let me do that. Ruin my fun. I know he knows things. And I say it to him every time. He's always right. I know, I cry too. No EDM girl, I'll plug it all in. So that's positive there. And you've got the HV1 negative there. No, I know Dreams. He's like 99% correct. Don't listen to people on the internet. Well, maybe sometimes. Crypto, hello. Maybe it's got something to do with grounding. Nah. Shit. Now, which way around did this go? Which way? I don't think it really matters, but the sticker, I guess. I'll stick it in this way. Oh no. Which shelf did it go on? First shelf or second shelf? Oh no, hang on, it goes there. Yeah, got it. I've got it.
No.
Got it. I don't know if inverter would be grounded to the chassis. It's kind of dangerous.
I've got a really small one.
Yeah, that's true actually. Have you, James? How much? How
I'm
big
not
is
joking. It's like
it? Is it? So Ben, these bloody MOSFETs now. I'm not joking. It's like cool command combination. Yeah, it is. It was like, why am I getting confused? Why am I getting confused? Oh, well, I'm so confused. Why am I getting confused over this bracket? Yeah, it was like that. There you go. Yeah, down there. Because it doesn't take much, Andy, to get confused. That's way too high. I remember buying cheap shit that would zap me. Yeah, you gotta be careful. I could hear the sirens come in. You received an alarm message from front door. See, isn't this an interesting fix? Or interesting device, sorry, should I say. So it's not fixed, but... Victor Mers. Oh, Victor, hello, you're back. I see, good to see diversity of thank you, I appreciate it. Yes, I like to try and fix anything I can get my hands on. And that's why people say that I'm a swindler, because I don't know how to fix things. But I get so many different things come in. How are you supposed to know how to repair everything without looking at it and learning as you go along? I do have a slushy machine to do later. Swindon the Swindler, yeah, exactly. Dan didn't even take... Wait, sorry. Dan didn't even take the change to look it through thermal without the sink. Huh? Sorry, I don't quite understand what you're saying, Indie Dave. Don't they go the other way around? No, it was this way. There's no nuts on this side. There was always nuts down there. Maybe read a book. Oh, for God's sake, EDM. Even then, I can't read, okay? You learn by making mistakes. Yeah, and I haven't made a mistake on zapping myself yet. I'm quite shocked at that. AI reads to me now. Shocking coming. Yeah, most likely. One day it will happen, won't it? And then I'll get to experience the AC zap. Oh, I know that one goes last. Final one. Yeah, I had no luck finding that gold screw for the 1X. Excuse me, sorry. So unfortunately, I can't even buy a gold screw. I'm gonna have to say to the customer, sorry, I tried looking. Even the missus tried looking. It's vanished. Still, there's one in there. I put a replacement screw in there. It's just not gold. 240 volt isn't bad unless you're earthed. Oh. Got shocked by 240 voltage AC plenty of times. Don't worry, Andy. I don't like it. Don't hurt. I've been zapped plenty of times. Just a pulse and tingle. Yeah, but can you feel it all through your body, or do you just feel it from where you touch? Try 300. Oi, no, Kyle. Hello, Kyle. Is it working? I don't know. About to test. Do you want me to connect it up to everything, Dreams, or is that okay? Do you want me to connect it up to everything? The switch is there, but that just allows output to the switches. You have to be earthed to get zapped. I just want to see if we get any output. As you wish. No. I'd rather you tell me. Is it better to plug it all together, or just test the output of this? Dreams, please. Proceed to the Carthel test, please. What's Carthel saying? Like 60 volts. Plug everything in. Okay, thank you. Stop spamming the hearts. Right, so we got this, which is the temperature something or the other. Where is that? There it is, the NTC. And we got this thing, which fits in this connector. Joking. It does though. Hopefully that's correct. JK1 to CON1. They're all different size connectors anyway, which is handy. Apart from these two. What? Look, is the switch to turn the circuit on to allow AC. Look, is the switch to turn the circuits on to allow... Is that a question, Nick? Next time we need a gold... Yes, I could paint it with gold net. Yes, exactly, Barney. Oh, hello, Barney, by the way. No, I've not tried to use a vintage... Stop spamming stuff! For fuck's sake. I'm going to have to turn that off. It will be pushed up your arm and tingle, etc. But normally you let go by the time any goes further along. Don't cross the heart to earth. Yes, it is a question. Oh, is the switch to turn the circuits on to allow AC out? No, there isn't a switch. Oh, there is from here, though. Yeah. The switch is there, but that just... Oh, no, that's not. That's just for the... No, there isn't a switch. No, that's just for the panel, I think. The controller. There isn't an AC switch. I guess it's always outputting. Oh, it's similar to hitting your funny bone with... Stop with the hearts. Bloody hell. Yes, okay, got you. Right, so this one is... I guess it's the lac. What the hell, the lac? Lac goes into lac. I will confirm afterwards. We've got another little white connector, which I don't know what that says that is. I can't read it. This fits into, oh God, LED, ZT. Okay, I'm going to need my picture. It's never always outputting, really? But that switch doesn't control AC anywhere. Right, so that's unpopulated. We've got red and that one next to the speaker buzzer. Yep. That one goes in there. And we've got black that goes there. Then we've got red and black. So this one, red and black next to the big one. Oh God. I'll spin it around. What? Check the switch connection to the main board. Check the switch connections to the main board. Yeah, let me plug it in first. The switch connections. You've got wires coming from there, there, and here. These are the switch connections. Which I don't see how that's going to control AC switch. I don't see how that's safe for AC. The wires are too thin. Sorry, otherwise it just drain your batteries. Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah, but will it though? Because it's not drawing any current. Did he say please? No, I didn't say please spam hot. Right, I'm turning that off. That's so annoying. That is so annoying. I can't put up with those hearts floating everywhere. That's been going on for about 10 minutes. Content, live. This one. Yeah, spam it while you can, guys. 3. Where is it? 3, 2, 1, gone. Ah, beautiful. It won't go bang after reassembly. Hopefully, yeah. The AC is generated, so the switch is low current. Oh, you reckon? Anyway, I was plugging this one in. I am going to confirm, see if these are in the correct switches. Then we got this one into this big one, the GUI type thing. Right. Let me double check with my picture. So we got that one in there. Then we got red and black. We've got that fancy white color one. At the back we've got the 3 colors. The main one's there, which is red and black. Yep. And we've got the speaker one. Okay, yep, that's all connected correctly. Just need to plug in the main AC ones, just to make sure these are correctly plugged into. Can you see that? Not really. Where did they go? Where's the prongs? There. HV plus and HV minus. High voltage plus. High voltage minus. Right. Okay. Now, do you reckon I should put this switchboard in as well, or whatever it is, just to see if we get power? Yeah, let's plug it in. Right, make sure nothing's shorting out anywhere. I don't want it touching where it shouldn't do. I am so scared right now. Start with the hearts. Say I can't win. All right, voltage plus, voltage minus. I'm not liking it. I think it's going to blow again. I'll have the on switch to off. I think it's going to blow. I won't be scared. Whatever will be. I'm gonna have to order more fuses if it blows. Right. Anyway, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Okay. I think that's all right. Okay, we've got constant 10 milliamps. No, it is dropping. Do I get anything on display? Nope, nothing. On here, I get no power, but that's because it's turned off by the switch. Why are we dropping now, though? That's what I'm confused about. Put draw on it. Something is warming up. If that's what you're thinking, I wish it was the power inverter. Where do I get one of those machines from? All right, here we go. Turning it on. 3, 2, 1. Yay, it works. All it was is... Why is that beep like that? Because it's not drawing anything? Yay, this works as well. 11.8 volts. Is that good? Obviously, it's under 12 volts. That's probably why. Input is too low. Still, it works. All right, let me turn it up to 13 volts. No, I'll do... We're at 12.3 volts now. Surely that should be fine. Amps too low. Yeah, maybe. But it's working. Low voltage beep. Amps should be way higher. Give it more amps. I can't unless I plug something in there. Should I try plugging something in? Too low input. 13 volts. Yeah, it's fixed. Yeah, nice. I got my old car battery in the back garden. Should I grab that? That's still got 12 volts then, I think. No point plugging anything in. Wicked. Happy days. Let's turn that off. Well, okay, but that's just a panel, but there you go. Oh, it's quiet now. Oh, it's gone. It died. It needs to be higher amp input, Andy. All right, should I hook up to my car battery? I've got a spare battery in the back. It's a bit wet, though. Grab car battery. All right. Ah, 14 input battery and alternator. Yeah, I don't have... Actually, I changed my battery because it was dying. How am I going to hook up my car battery to this? I don't have any jump leads. Yes, then put dim bulb on the output. Regardless, it's fixed. But it'd be nice to test it, right? I'm not licking it. Wind up merchant detected. Power up your power supply unit with it. Yeah, there's no way I can hook up my car battery to this. I don't have any big leads. And I don't think my little crocodile clip leads will be good enough, will it? They're not very thick, and the amount of current is going to go through it. I don't think I'd want to risk that. Yeah, it's fixed anyway. We've got power. Yeah, I know, Nick. That's what I was thinking. No, I don't want to risk it. They're not big enough wires, and the amp draw that'll go through it is just going to probably melt the wires. The wires going to the cigarette plugs are small. Yeah, but that's only outputting 5 volts. No, wait, no, it is 12 volts, isn't it? Yeah, but I don't know. That is a good shout. But isn't it like restricted? Not worth biscuit to risk it. Oh, shit. Just need an amp fuse. Those leads should handle 10 amps for a test. What, these cheapo ones? This is only cheap ones. They're not proper ones. Heavy duty jumper cables. Yeah, I know. Alright, let me go to my car and get my jump leads. I do have jump leads, I just didn't want to get them. For God's sake. Things I do for you guys. It's fixed, yet you still want me to hook up a car battery to it. Let me go get my battery in first. It's wet out there. Wet and rainy. My battery's wet out here too. Let me try and drain all the water off. There's my car battery. It's heavy. Why EDM? Alright, let me check the voltage of this. It's probably like 11 point some volts anyway, not enough voltage. Oh, 12 volts. You got any cables to go from? No, he didn't provide me with any cables apart from that. Let me just go get my jumper wires. Oh, god damn it. Yeah, I'm using jump leads. Be right back. It's raining. Oh wait, has the missus gone out in the car? I can't remember if she's gone out. Oh, she has as well. Bugger! Okay, I don't have jump leads. She's gone out in the car. Oh, well, that's annoying, isn't it? I don't have jump leads.
Oh no!
Yeah. This is a
I've
3,000 watt.
got a really small one.
This is only a 3,000 watt.
I'm not joking. It's like
She sleeps in the shed at night. Who does? Geez, you're gonna get all 620 cold cranking amps. Yeah, it's very powerful. Well, it's not anymore. Swapped it out. It died on me. She's gone to spend that 20 quid. Yeah, little shit. Oh man, I can't test it. Anyway, it's fixed. All it needed was new fuses. Ugh. I'm not going outside yet. I can stay on the floor. Damn it. How can I evaporate this quicker? Oh, I guess next is the slushy machine, right? The most powerful part is the starter motor. Yeah, that needs to crank that thing open quick. Oh, it's a good job we had just the right amount of fuses then, isn't it? All these are blown. Right, I'm going to put that clamp back on, wherever it is. This one. Oh, what's this? Oh, damn, I have to go to do my stairs. Stream it. Oh, no. We'll have to watch the slushy later. Oh, I'm so sorry. It's huge anyway. I'm going to have to adjust my camera for it. I don't even know how much this one's worth. So I could charge accordingly. Beautiful. What brand is it? We'll have a look in a sec. Hopefully let's cover up these spade connectors because they are still exposed. I've got to be careful because of the capacitors now, but I think it'll be fine. Yeah, there you go. That's quite bad, isn't it? They've got a spade connector there that's not covered. And there. Neutral and live. That's kind of naughty because if that touches this metal at some point, you could use you have to test the AC output. Yeah, all right then. I'll wait until the missus comes back and then I'll get the jump leads to test it. Hello, Sergio. First PCDD and his 48 stone computer. Now you and the giant slushy machine. Yeah. Let's disconnect that. I don't need that in there anymore. Oh my god, these screws. EDM what? The leads are fitted the wrong way round, Andy. What leads? What do you mean fitted the wrong way around? I haven't unplugged any leads since powering it up. What leads are the wrong way around? EDM. Main leads inside. What? What do you mean? What do you mean they're fitted the wrong way round? They're not, are they? Red and black leads. One is AC current, it doesn't really matter. No. I've checked that already. If you're on about these two, it's fine. They're normal. You got HV plus. Don't know if you can see that there. High voltage plus is there. And then you've got high voltage minus, which is there, which goes into HV plus in there and HV minus in there. They're not the wrong way around. No, for the protective lead ends. What? No, for the protective lead ends. What are you on about? I'll double check with the pictures. You said that they had no shielding. Oh, yeah. These had no shielding, yeah. These ones. This is brown and blue. I haven't touched these ones, though. I haven't unplugged these, so they can't be the wrong way around. This is live, neutral, and you've got black, HV minus. Yo, hello, Aurelia. Whoops, I made a jump then. So, yeah, it's fixed anyway, Aurelia, now. Okay, my fault. Yeah, I've not unplugged these leads. I only unplugged red and black. So I know they're 100% in the correct order. Oh, man. We'll try and put it back together again now. To be fair, these wires are like shit. So you reckon the cause of this was them plugging it in the wrong way around? God damn it. Live is brown. Is it really this early? Shuri, by the way, mate. I didn't learn electronics anywhere. Just through YouTube. I need to higher up the bit more. Bit more. There you go. No! You fucking... Sorry, language. Very possible. If they put it in the wrong way, it'll pop. I've seen loads do it. Yeah. I'm going to have to loosen this up a bit because I can't swivel it around. Yeah. That's it. Now I can line that up. Oh, these are not even magnetic. Pain in the ass. Screw down, you idiot. There you go. Why is that not lining up with that? Oh, it's not sat down properly. That's on the outside. What? Why is it not lining up with that side? What's going on? Oh look, we've got a ground connector here too. How many Andys does it take to put an inverter back together? I know this is annoying. What did you want me to screw down? What? Does Andy even know what he's doing? Trying to bloody screw this back together. It's, I don't know why it's not working. Oh, I see what's going on. This is spun around the wrong way. So this is supposed to be, this side slots into here. What? So I've got to try and spin that around. That's kind of annoying. Yeah, this spins around this way round. Oh, I've put it in the wrong way round then. I put the shell on wrong. I needed this over this side. So I've slid it in the wrong way round. Oh no! Not more entertainment. I have to take it all apart again. Pointless just looking at it. I know, but I don't want to take it all off. I've got to undo all these just to spin it around. I'm going to take all this off. Hold on. Ugh. Oh yeah, it's screwed down in it. Let's see. Oh, crypto. Thank you. My things are not working for some reason. My alerts. So thank you for the $10 for your pain. Thank you. Just annoying. Thank you so much, crypto. Can you spin the top around? No, I can't. The wires are not long enough, if you know what I mean. Like, I can't. This yellow wire here is stopping it from reaching. It would be an easier solution, yeah, but the wires need to be on that side. It's fine. Whoops. If you ever can able to solve a problem and make it a feature. Yeah. Unsolder the wire and just put a longer one on. Cut the wires and extend them. It's fine. I do it properly. I'll do it properly. It's not going to take that long. I should have took note. I don't feel too guilty about taking this apart the first time now because I had to get to all the fuses. Fuse, did you find the problem? Yeah, it's just fuses. All of them were blown. Chat believes that the customer may have wired the battery up wrong to it. Right, okay, we can slide it out now. Oh, this paste. You got a snowstorm? Good, I hope you bloody get stuck in there, ruggers. Andy will be truly happy. Probably lose power and heat and freeze. Oh yeah, exactly. Firework nights, yeah. Right. There we go. Spin that around. Cool. Damn it. Damn it. Wait, what? Something's still not right. I'm going to give up in a minute. I really am. Why isn't it lining up now? It's like... still like it's the wrong way round. So we've got enough room here, but that's for the fans. But this one, we've got hardly any room. Unless it just gets pushed across like that. Yeah, like that. Don't worry. I'm having a blonde moment. I'm being blonde. There you go. I'm being blonde. It's raining men. Hallelujah, it's raining men. And no leaking from my windows. Thanks to the tinfoil trick. Yeah, I did just have a mind moment. Yeah. Yeah, it's a bit of a weird design, to be honest. Stop retracting your messages. Whoop. Make sure all the insulators are still on there. Yeah, they are. Don't you worry, they are all on there. The spade connectors are all insulated. Yeah, I think it is a kind of a cheap one. Especially if it's not got no protection for reverse voltage. Well, I thought it would have done. Right, let me flip it around. Let me see if this fits on first. Yeah, it will do. I can see the pattern. Is that it? Yeah. There you go. Now it's sat down correctly. Yeah, that's why the fuses went. Yeah, there's obviously. Oh yeah, I guess there is a sort of protection in that respect. Yeah. Yeah, because of the fuses. You want some MOSFETs and diode to have protection. Yeah, well, I don't know. They should have just added it. But for all the fuses to blow, man, that's just nuts. How many was there? 12 fuses. 3 kilowatts per. I don't know how much it can power. Power per hour. Yo, Juiced. Good morning. It is morning for you, I think. Split 3,000 watts to 12 volts. Oh, donkey. Maths is not my thing. So it could output 3 kilowatts of hour. 3 kilowatts. I'm doing it, Ruggers. I could do both. I'm like a woman. See? That's done. But now I can put this roof back on. I'll do this end first because that end's flat. This end isn't. There you go. I could do this end first. Urgh. Perfect. Morning, Tango, 8-bit Chris. Good morning. Arion, hello. How can you tell if a blown ceramic fuse was real? Break in half. A handful of sand should pour out of it if it's real. Oh, I don't know, to be honest. Yeah, I guess you could break it and see if there's... Maybe the the sand turns into glass because of the temperature. I don't know, I'm just guessing. Eight-bit warning. What bit rot? Beetroot. Oh, wanting. Morning. Morning, Andy. Coffee or tea? I've had a monster this morning because we've got no coffee beans left. Apparently, I'm supposed to be ordering it. They are too chatty. I love the sign, so easy to read, but for me, no. For me, not at all. I think I've got the wrong bit on here. Yeah, stop chatting.
I've got a really small one.
Have you, James?
I'm not joking. It's like...
Oh, that connects like that. That's why. Yeah. There you go. I had this panel upside down. Any hobnobs? No. Don't forget to subscribe. Nah, just like, please. Oh, I don't want to do the slushy machine. Slushy machines live longer with cow gone. Is that for dishwasher? Yeah, it is. So, we want slushy. I know, but it's big. And it's... To be fair, the bit he said where smoke came out of is actually easily accessible, potentially. And he could barely read anyway. Oi, what's with the hate, man? Ruggers, I'd love to see you stream, buddy. Hello? Where's the hole, sir? There it is. Okay. To be honest, I'm looking forward to Andy working on... I know everyone is. I don't understand why. It's probably going to be like, open up. Oh, look, it's just a blown... Whatever that is. It's just brand new, so hopefully I don't get it dirty or anything. I'm working on it. Something's late spring. Okay. No worries, Ruggers. I wanted one of those power inverters for my van. Yeah, this is for his van, I think. Right. That's it, fully back together. 12 volt input. And then I've got the output. That's weird. Why did the plugs upside down? That's kind of weird. Oh, I guess because of the wire. I don't know. Yeah. No. Oh, yeah. Probably, yeah, because it gets mounted upside down by the looks of it. Yeah, okay. But the text upside. Really weird. Goodbye, Tango. Thanks for popping in. Proper testing includes making and testing the slushy. I'm going to say that to him. But hey, mate, I've got it working. I just got to test it out fully first. Right, let me connect it up one more time just to see if we're okay. And nothing goes bang. I will try it properly later with jump leads once the missus gets back. Oh, I can stay like that then. Okay. But chat picks the ingredients. Absolutely not. That's gross. Be careful, Andy. There's a big wanting on there. I don't see the wanting. Oh yeah, I've got to see how much this is worth. All right, here we go. Let's have a look. I know it's going to beep. 3, 2, 1. Powering it on. Whoa. Did you see that? There wasn't enough amps. Did you see that? It went max amps. £200 used on eBay. Charge 100. I was thinking around that area. Yeah, it still works. Did you see how much it tried to pull then? I'll show you again. Let me shut it off. Go wait for it to die. Oh, did it? I didn't see it, Carthor. It's not ruined now. Shut your face. Hang on, let me shut that off. Right, okay. Yeah, I didn't see how much current it drew last time. Here we go. Okay, nothing. But when I turn the unit on, yeah, look, max current, 5.2 amps. And then it jumps out because it's not drawing enough. Yeah, it's still not gonna. It's still drawing too much current anyway, Arion. So I can't even test on my bench power supply. A fully charged battery should show 13.8. I've never seen a car battery like that unless the car was started. For me, anyway. Yep. Okay. More power, more passion, more energy. We know this is fixed. I will try again properly before confirming with the customer. And if he says no to the cost of the repair, I'm gonna have to open it all up and place all these all these back in. Do you have a spare PS3, PSU for? No, I don't. I don't really work on PS3s. Nobody gives me PS3s. I have a PS5. Oh yeah, I've got a PS5. Is that safe though? I've got a PS5 power supply. Surface charge maybe 30.6, but fully charged is 12.2. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. PS3 with 5, so would a PS5. I'd be at 7. Yeah, I was thinking around that, to be fair, Dreams. I wasn't going to go 100 quid. I was thinking 70 quid. I'm sure it shouldn't take 5 amps when not loaded. The initial startup would, I guess. Yes, I was testing with PS5 with PS3 PSU. You reckon I should hook up a PS5 power supply to it? Then I could use my... Then I can use my dim bulb tester. Yeah, let's do it. All right. That saves getting my jump leads out and my car battery. But again, it's going to be the same thing. I need the proper leads because it's going to draw too much. Yeah, no, I just decided that, yeah. I just need my jump leads. That's all I need. No, I can't use that because it's the same issue again. I don't know how much amps it's going to draw anyway. Yeah, forget it. Right, that's done for now. I'll fully test it when she gets back. Oh, I better get that slushy machine, and I put that on the fixed shelf, which I can't because there's no more room. People need to pick up their stuff. Right, slushy machine. Slushy machines live longer. Go. I use DIY 4mm wires. That's thin. Oh no, it's 5 centimeters, 5mm, half a centimeter. Yes, it's a slushy machine day today. It's bloody massive, so I don't know what you guys are gonna see. Honestly, I might have to adjust my camera. Let's have a look. See how high I can get it. It might crash. Hi guys. Oh. Okay. Are we upside down? No. What are you wowing for? Wait, it is upside. No, this is my multimeter that's upside down. That's what confused me. Oh, just turn around, so Andy's brain. Yeah. Right, and we're not even. There you go. Right, that should be big enough. I don't need these anymore. Get rid of these cables. And for my battery, which I don't really care for them anymore. Okay. Right, let me go get it. The camera's slightly wonky, I think, but you live and you learn. 2 seconds. Just got to go out in this rain. Go get it. Oh, I was going to get water damaged. Right, I'm going to have to leave my shed door open because I can't carry that. Oh, post. All right, House of Commons. Oh. And for me, probably to do with the electoral roll. I don't care about that. Right, here we go. Oh, he gave me an inverter. Because this is from America. Right, here we go. Oh. I'm going to have to leave the house door open. Okay. Oh, I'm out of breath. Right, hold on. Let me just close up the house because otherwise everything's just getting wet. What? Trace is back. I'm going to have to get the jump leads quick. Why don't you come back now as soon as I brought it in? Hold on, guys. Sorry. Trace? Trace? Could you get the jump leads, please? Do you know where they are? Do you know where they are? Jump leads. Oh, I'll get them. I think they're in the back seat pouch thingy. Can I please have the car keys? I'll go get them. Thank you. How'd it go?
Yeah, I'm not working tonight. I'm working Thursday, Friday, Monday.
Oh, there you go. Perfect. Sorry, guys. I'll go to the car quick. Oh, the bloody back seats have been lifted up. Right. Why is my seat not clipping down? Why is the back seats not clipping down? Oh, that's better. It's because of that. Right, jump leads. Nope. And here. Nope, that's for my suspension. What the fuck? Maybe it's in the boot. I'm getting drenched. Engine oil. Ugh. Ooh, my old B&Q hat. Oh, and a remote. Oops. I don't know where they are. They're not in there neither. I swear I had jump leads. Oh no. I swear I had jump leads though. I wish the missus would put things back. Definitely not in there. Nope. Definitely not in this one. Nope. Okay. Don't know where they've gone. Can't try it. I swear I had jump leads. Unless they broke and I chucked them. They were old. Man, that sucks. Oh well. Don't know if you guys heard any of that. Sorry, guys. Right. Anyway. Where is my pad so I can change the title? There it is. Why is that wobbly? Is it on the wire? Yeah. Oh, it goes that way around. Right. So apparently this is the inverter. Oh god, is it backwards? No. Transformer, sorry, not inverter. I forgot I got that on the brain. So it's 240 volts in to 120 volts out. He didn't use this originally, and that's what caused it to blow. I don't know, I'm not scared of them. We couldn't help you F-bombing, Andy. Was I F-bombing? Sorry. Forget TW. Probably in the shed. Yeah, it could be actually EDM. I'm not going in there now, though. It's from my side of the pond. Yeah, it is, yeah. Do you actually have that third plug? Alright, it's going to be an ad for people in 16 seconds. I'll change the title. Yes, third is ground. Weirdos. Why'd you have ground? Probably okay for lamps. Can the step-down transformer handle the slush machine's current, Andy? Probably okay for lamps. I don't know. What's the current on it? Doesn't say. 50 amps. I think that's enough. Max load is 50 volts amps. I think that means 50 amps. What's VA? I've not seen VA before. It feels really heavy duty. Can't answer the question. Oh, right, okay. 50 V amps, not 50 amps. Isn't VA? What's VA? Oh, it's watts. VA is watts. What? Okay, so about 2 amps. Okay, so what does this draw? Let's have a look. 120 volts, 60 hertz, 490 watts at 4.8 amps. Bugger. 4.8 amps. So it's not enough. Wow, it takes nearly 5 amps. That's mental. But it'll be enough for testing, I guess, but not for turning on. It's not on a 240 volts. It's 110. No, we'll cook the transformer. My Ferrell, like, The inverter and slushy machine went in the same vehicle. You feel, yeah. All right, okay. I guess the thing I could do is just plug it in and see what happens. I am going to use my dim bulb tester. Now, the question is, do I use the 60 watt bulb or the 150 watt bulb? What's more better for this instance? 150 watt or 60 watts? It'll switch on at least. Yeah, exactly. I'm not going to hit the go button. It's all going to light up and stuff if it works. I reckon I should stick with 150. Or should I do a 60 watts? How much is this drawing again? You said it was 150 watts. If it's been plugged into 200, I know dreams, but I've got to confirm the faults because you never know. You said smoke came out of this top bit. Yeah, actually, I've got one of these in my front room lamps, and yes, they are bright. Thank God it's got a shade on it. Plugging in the dim bulb tester. Current limit. I know it's not going to do anything, but okay, that's off and that's off. Plugging that in. Let's get in this. I'm going to move this back a bit. No connect. Just multimeter the cable, it will show 0. You reckon it's blown? I don't know how America's plugs work. They don't have a fuse. Straight up wires. No, we've got something. No short. We've got 535 mega ohms. So that's actually okay. Yeah. Well, I want to see if this outputting the right voltage first. Let's see if it's even outputting the correct voltage. Here we go. Can I get my probes in there? I don't think I can. We're in AC. Yes, I can. Yeah, we're getting 123 volts, so that's working fine. That's weird to see. Christ. Okay. Now, let's try it with this in. I am turned off at the back here. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, nothing. She did. Three, two, one. Any lights? Pressing the power button? No. Nothing. Okay. Ugh. I've got to try and get into the back then. He said it came out of here, but I don't think it's probably from here. I reckon it's from this bit here. These are like grip. Oh man, is there a way I could just take this top off? This is stupid. Can I take this tank off? What's this big handle for? Yeah. Yeah, that takes that off. Oof. Okay. I don't want to get that damaged. That's a big cylinder. Whew. Lift the handle. Okay, that's helped it a little bit, not much. So I'm going to just undo the back panels. I don't see anything at the... Yeah, there is a few screws at the bottom. To take the whole top panel off, these side panels. Okay. Lay on its side back towards you. Good shout. Okay, that was heavy. You guys ain't gonna see nothing now, though. No, don't smell like anything. Right, so now it's gonna have a security bit on it, a big chunky one. Yes, Nick, my scene. What do you find? Scene's fine. Let's go for this one. Oh, too big. Wait, is that normal size? No, it's too. No, way too small. This one? No, that's a screw. Oversized hairdryer. I don't know what it looks like. It looks kind of scary. Have I tried that one? Perfect. Right, can I pull this off? Looks like it should. Need a pry tool. Yeah, they're not even that expensive. For the size of it, I was expecting it to be about 500, 500, I think they're only like 2.5. Yeah, they are good quality usually. Oh, come on. I can't. Why are these not... Is it clipped? Yeah, it was clipped. Damn it. It's clipped. What the fuck is that? What's this thing? Cup holder. Just fell off. There you go. Oh, well, that was a whole waste of nothing, isn't it? It's just a radiator. Oh no, I'm gonna have to get deep into this. Oh no. That's the motor up here. Maybe I'm gonna have to literally take all the casing off. Shake it, maybe more stuff. Take the top cover off. Top cover. I can take off these side panels. I'll just take everything off. Right, so this is for the grill. So if I put these screws with the grill, refrigeration is in the bottom. Oh. Yeah, there's no power. It's dead. Let's get rid of this. I don't want to scratch or break this. Whatever the hell that's for. Let's take this off. Don't let the refrigerant out. Yeah, I'm not going to undo any pipes. I just want the circuit board. This is brand spanking new, you know. Brand spanking new. Still doesn't smell burnt. So he said smoke come out the top. Obviously smoke rises. And here you could just see a fan motor blade, whatever it is. A few bloody old-fashioned computer cables. Oh, you can't see. Ugh, still heavy. Some few little cables, black wires. Okay, next is these side panels. So I've got 2 screws at the bottom here that holds these panels on. Fan motor fried? I don't know. No, because there would still be power, right? Did he keep the magic smoke? Because you meant to put it back in. Hopefully not. Not as easy as that, is it? This must clip some way. Lift front of unit and use sliding back feet to move on counter. What? Near the little white fan. It would be that top circuit board, Andy, near the little white fan. There is no top circuit board there. Is that? What, in this black box? What, all the stuff's in there? The thing is, I can't see shit in here. That's probably just the refrigeration side stuff at the bottom here then. Yeah. Oh, wow. Okay. Thank you. You saved me a lot of time trying to dismantle. I can't see anything in here. Have you worked on one of these before? Cool. That's good enough then. I see a plug. Hang on. I see a plug. Oh, man. Why am I repeating myself? Where's my phone? Oh, my pocket. Flip lid off that box. Yeah. I want a second. I want to kind of pull it out because it's easier to pull it out. Alright, so we've got some sort of plug down there. Don't know if you can't really see it, can you? But it's got a screw on it, so I think that screw holds the plug in. I kind of want to remove that plug. Alright, let me undo these screws first. No, I'll just pop the lid off. Why is nothing ever easy? They're on simple bloody clips. Get that way around. There you go, that's one. That's two. No. Can't pull it out, it's stuck. So I'm going to have to take the whole box out. But I believe that wire that cable's connected. Yeah, that's tight. There's only a little circuit board in there. Oh yeah, I see burn marks. Oh, and a blown capacitor. 2 blown capacitors.
I've got a really small one.
Engineers don't make it. No,
I'm
they
not
don't.
joking. It's like...
This is definitely blown. But I can't get this thing out. I'm going to have to... Oh, maybe there's enough slack. Alright. It's time for my long screwdriver. I've got my super duper long screwdriver. I'm backwards like that. I took it apart from the side. Oh, did you? Well, you've worked on one of these. Oh man, I forgot what these 2 screws were from. Oh yeah, the bottom panel. That's fine. Box should slide out after a couple of screws. Hopefully. But I see a cable connected to the back. So I'm hoping there's enough slack. Oh. Yeah, there is enough slack. Okay, amazing. Oh, wow. Okay, the cable's not even connected to this. Oh, my God. Jeez. That is black in there as well. All right, so this is actually pretty good to get to. You've got bulging caps there. You've got a burnt, I guess that's one of those thermal resistors. That's completely split. Easy fix. And a bit of charring. I'm pretty sure I saw a resistor that, yeah, this resistor looks like it needs changing. Let me get it unplugged. I'll take a picture so I could unplug it and then get it out of the board. Scorched, more than that. Nobody's not blown anything else like the relays. Okay. Guessing that's yellow. No, it's white. I don't even know the colour of it anymore. Okay, that's one plug. Ugh. Don't want that coming right the way out. Get back in. Don't want you coming all the way out. No. Oh, it was like that. Okay. All right, so they can come all the way out. It's just to protect that in. I'll be with you guys in a minute. Yeah, it's 110 volts. Yeah. Well, that comes out, so I can pull the main switch out. Get out! Why have this protector thing on it? There we go. Right, we're free. No, we're not free. Bugger. A couple of more. A few more. All right. That one. That one. That one. That one. Lucky enough, they're all color coded. And different sizes. There we go. Right, okay, we're good. We are good. We are good to go. Oh no, yeah, we are. Oh no. I've got red and black. Red and black spades. There's the switch. That's one.
Oh no!
Do you know what? Yeah, I know, I'm crying. Fun fact, well, it's not fun, it's kind of stupid, really. I've only just realised how these spade connectors work. I didn't realise they've got a little tab there that you push down to release them. I thought you just yank the hell out of them. Maybe burnt traces. Yeah, I'm going to take it, have a good look at it. Ugh. Are you watching a video or Summit Dreams? Somebody already experienced the same thing. Should be an easy fix. Hopefully, yes. Ship has gone live. Has he? Little shit. Right. I think I need to zoom in a little bit. I used to buy and sell fridges. Oh, right, okay. And they were expensive. I need to zoom in. I don't know. What do you get if you cross something with something else? Oh, great. Now my camera's all flipped. Now to zoom in. Woolly jumper. Oh, what do you... Wait, what's the joke? I read what... Oh, I forgot what you guys put. Including slushy machines. Really? What do you get if you combine a cat with a sheep? A hybrid. Okay, cool. I don't know. What do you get if you cross a sheep with an ABG of cement? A kilogram? I don't know what that is. And a kangaroo, a woolly jumper, bag of cement. Bag of cement. A woolly jumper. Sorry, I don't know what that... I don't get it. Let's go narrow on this one. Like a Zorse, a horse made with zebra. Oh, mates with zebra. But what's the cement got to do with an umper? Oh. People ask what the bag of cement is usually. It's to make it harder. Closer, please. You guys want to get closer? It's going to go out of like focus if I go closer. It's not going to be very clear. Is that all right? It looks a bit pixelated. Right, so we got a screw there, and I think what should be a screw there. That's cool. It'll be under the scope soon. Exactly. What? Wow, that cap's completely blown. Look. Cap residue. People always say it smells like piss. No, it doesn't. It just smells like old electrics. Oh, something's blown. I don't know. Well, yeah, the cap's definitely bulged, look, vented. Yeah, it's one of these. Oh, is that blown as well? Just an inductor, I take it.
Oh no!
Yeah. I got new caps anyway. Oh, 250 volts. What are those little things? Are you joking? 22 microfarads at 250 volts. Oh, I should have checked that first, shouldn't I? Those little tiny little things. Yeah, I will, Ruggers. Of course. Whoa, I've got to be so careful, man. Yeah, they're dead anyway. They vented and died. Yeah, the NTC's blown as well, definitely. Is that a bridge rectifier there? That's a small bridge rectifier. What the fudge? Why is that so small? Is that a bridge rectifier? DB1? Can't see. Alright, let's have a look. There are 400 volts in the hour's power supply. That's mental. That is a pet, but what the, that is tiny. Hang on, I'm gonna have to refocus. Where is it? Over here. Yo, where'd it go? Where's my finger? There it is. Ah, yeah, look, you've got minus and plus on it. Wow, sort of. Let's see if that's any good, because that may have blown. Everything might have blown. Yeah, it's gone. Unless there's a short on that side as well. No, that's fine. That could be before. No, that's after. That could have blown. Yeah, it's no delamination. What I'll do is I'll clean it up in a minute and inspect everything. It doesn't look like traces are damaged, which is kind of good. This is the underside of the board. Everything else on this side looks fine. It's looks like this side's safe. But the bridge rectifier, however, why is it not short on this side, but it is this side? So the suffolk house blown. Oh yeah, of course, because of the capacitors. Is this inductor still alright? Yeah, that's fine. Is that diode? Yeah. Is that okay? Yeah, that seems fine. Although, is that a hole? That does seem like a hole. Looks lead switch leads when checking bridge. It's still the same. It's in continuity mode, so it wouldn't have mattered. PCB looks very clean. Yeah, considering what it's gone through. So that could be just the bridge that's blown and it took out the caps and everything underneath. Right, let me turn that brightness down a bit. Now the other side, we've obviously got, I can't even see nothing now. It's so black. This scope don't like black. It's racist. So obviously that's the NTC. No idea what this is. Is this another fuse? That could be a fuse. Oh, looks like it's some sort of fuse. Alright, anyway, I think that's a fuse. 2.5 amp. It is a fuse, yeah. That's obviously got to blow. Is that blown? Sorry about the very bad lighting. It's just because it's in a black area at the minute. No, fuse is good. What the fudge? Oh, hang on. Not measuring at the right place. Yeah, fuse is still good. That's mental. That's not a good fuse, is it? Yeah, alright. I'll clean it all first then for you guys so we can see what's going on. There you go. Now we can see the fuse. 250 volts. Should that be 250 volts then? Shouldn't it be 110? That's probably why it didn't blow. At 10 amps. Oh, it's only about the ampage anyway, isn't it? I think 10 amps is quite high. Yeah, 10 amps. So I saw that. No, it's standard voltage. Oh, okay. What's on the machine label? What, for the voltage? It says 110. Wow, my brush is black. Yeah. No idea what that's going to be, that NTC. Hopefully I could just use... something similar. Might take it off and have a look. Okay. I think that's the best I'm going to get it. So we've also got a resistor over here that's taken a hit too. It might be okay, but I'm going to replace it anyway. If I could figure out the value of it. Was it black, gold, gold, white? Or is it yellow, white, gold, gold? Look, it's cracked. Alright, time to start taking components off and seeing if we get replacements. Starting with this NTC. 110 is machine that was plugged into 250 by accident. Yeah, sorry, who asked? Generally, the fuse will be okay. That's nuts, really, isn't it, though? I'm sure the same PCB for both, just some components are different. Yeah, methinks the slush machine should have been fitted with a universal power supply, then it would have not happened. Yeah, but to be fair, this was bought from America itself. It wasn't a shipped thing. Measure from center to each and double it. What? Measure the center to each? I'm not sure what you're on about. Remove the resistor and oh, I see what you're saying. Remove the resistor and clean so we can see the colors better. Yeah, I will. I'm going to remove all the bad stuff and then basically rebuild it. Take a pick. This is a pulverized fuse resistor, probably. 470 ohm resistor with 5% tolerance. How can you even tell without me even cleaning it out properly? And had the wrong plug. Yeah, he's got the wrong value plug, the resistor. Yeah, all right, I see what you mean. Yeah, let me just take everything off anyway, because I've got to take off these capacitors. This thing, which I want to take off first, the bridge rectifier to see if the short goes, and that other color resistor. I think everything else looks okay. Let's start off with, I mean, do I attempt heat on this? I mean, it's been cooked enough. Nah, she's sold a sucker. Right, let's get this thing off. Oh no, I could just pull it off. We're doing. Shit, I've got to pick up my daughter. Fuck. Not now. Hey Google, remind me 220, pick up Scarlet. Whoa, that's broken, that leg. That's fell through already. Okay, I can't seem to pull it through, so I'll push it. There you go, it fell through. How do I clean that hole up without actually using wick? Thank you for your service. Yes, he did well. Oh, here we go. Bloody solder wick, not... Oh, there you go. Okay. Let's see if we get some sort of... Nah, this is unrecognizable. I've got no chance seeing what that is. It's a bit like getting the caps off the solder. Yes, like that all over again. Nah, this is easier. Right, next is... I'll take off the bridge. So I want to see if that short goes once the bridge has been taken off. I do have loom out solder, but I'm just going to lift it up both ends. Don't know how much heat this board can take. It's only a thin board. Cool. That was kind of easy. Considering it's got that bread stuff. I think they're going to change my Google for an Alexa. Andy likes setting mine off all the time. Sorry, Pitco. But didn't you say I'm on big screen in your warehouse? I'm pretty sure you did. Has the short gone? No, short's still there. So I bet it's those capacitors though, isn't it? Probably. Right, the capacitor's next. Let me actually test the bridge itself. That'd be nice if it wasn't blown. Oh, seems fine. Happy days. Okay, that's good to know. That's fine. Capacitors is down here. That one, and I believe it's these two across. Nope, these. Nope, yeah, these two here. Oh, you can see the slits for them anyway. Yeah. Okay. Check the board for shorts now. It's still there. Short's still there, Nick. So that's why I'm taking the caps off. Caps may have shorted. Which I've never known an electrolyte. For God's sake, this stupid scope when it manually focuses. V150LA20B should work for the Varista. Oh, really? Thank you. How do you work that out already? But thank you. I appreciate that. And this one. Yes, but I have Google in the warehouse as well. Oh, okay. Sorry. Oh, God, it's got that bloody white gunk on it. Oh, for vibrations. These are shot anyway. All that one better size. Thank you. Is there a transformer fitted? Yes. Very mini one. Is that why it's reading low again, is it? Still, these caps are gone. You're probably measuring the transformer wind down, for God's sake. How the hell are you supposed to measure stuff then when there's transformers in the way? Yeah, you're probably right. I don't know how much it would cost. Probably can't buy replacement ones. Which transformer is it? Optimus Prime? I've never watched Transformers. Gonna test these anyway, just for fun. Damn it. By taking them off. Ah, that's the effort. There's like how many holes? There's 6. More than 6. Okay, so this is a 22 microfarad at 250 Vs, slightly vented. Here we go. You reckon? Oh, look at that ESR reading. Any 21. Yeah, the capacitance is fine. The ESR's gone. I think. Shouldn't be that high. Should it? The table that I've got, I don't think it goes down to 22 microfarads. It starts from 100. Let's try this one. It's the same. Yeah, it's dead. Yeah, that one's completely gone. This one's dead. Yeah. Even though the capacitance is okay, the fact the ESR is too high, I've replaced. Oh yeah, 100%. I'm going to replace them both anyway. This one's dead. So far we need a thermistor, 2 caps. The bridge is actually okay. Let's check out that resistor next, which is here. I'm going to try and measure it. No, there's no point measuring it in circuit. Let's get it out of circuit. It's always messing with my eyes right there and there. Those two. Run 60 volts for it to be sure. What, the cap? Let's make sure it's definitely dead. Did you test it? Yes, I did. Not using diode mode, no, but there's no short on the bridge. Won't do anything as it's oh yeah, I can't go up to 250 volts. Wait, I could test this resistor in my machine also. That's cool. Okay, that's the resistor taken out. Let me clear the holes. Considering it was plugged in the UK plug mains, I'm surprised the lack of damage. Really? You reckon? Yeah, it's not too much, just a few components. Oh yeah, I was going to check the bridge rectifier quickly in diode mode. Now the thing is I can't see the orientation of it. I think it's that way around because of the 2 red dots. I'm in diode mode for you girls. It's kind of hard to be. There you go. Right, that's one side. 0.9 volts. Whoops. Damn it. I think it's flipped. On that side is nothing. Flipping my leads around. I can't do it. Nothing that side. Nothing that side. I'm getting nothing on either side on that. Oh, I'm probably measuring it wrong. It keeps spinning around and it's getting me dizzy. For God's sake. I give up. It's too small to test. It's fine. Yeah, read that. You could test resistor only if it's still fully alive. Yeah, it might just say it's broken. And let's have a look. I mean, it looks like it's just external damage. I don't know how these look like inside, actually. They've got like windings or something that makes the resistor resist. Resistance higher. I actually don't know how they work on these ones. Here we go.
I've got a really small one.
Have you, James? Oh yeah, that's damaged as well. Bugger. Is that a wire round resistor? I think so. I'm gonna have to clean it up and look at the colours. Damn. Let's give this a clean. Oh shit, what's time? Okay, cool. Oh, scene. Sorry. Yeah, I've done it. Sorry, thank you. Guess my controller went flat. I mean, turned off in power save mode. Is that wiping the colours off? Or is it just because it's wet? Oh, it's burnt all the way through. The whole thing's burnt. Should be 0.5 in diode mode for bridge, but the bridge is probably 250 volts or even 500 actually. Gently. Oh. Oh. Too late now, it's gone. I think I've damaged it too much. Now no idea. No. Didn't realise it was, I was reading. Yellow, white, gold. Is that what it was? Yellow, white, gold, 470 ohm resistor with 500. You sure that was what it was? Does it measure? It doesn't measure, no. It's toast. I just wiped off all the colours. Damn it. You got gold there, look. Or was that yellow? I'll have to look back on the video, see what colour we could get. Alright, that's another component. I might measure the... So what's this? Hopefully this hasn't damaged neither. PN6795D. Well, the diode didn't go that's connected to it. So there's the chip there, but the diode didn't go, so I'm assuming that might be alright. Measure from the center to end. Yeah, you said that before. I don't understand what you're saying with that. The center to the end. What, you want me to break it open? I'm not sure what you mean by that. What, like on the actual body itself? What resistance should it be? So you could check. I don't know. No idea. It's fried. Yeah, I didn't read anything. Yes. Oh. It's not reading anything. Oh, there it did. Did it? No. No, it's just reading open line. That's an NTC, not a varistor. NTC is an inrush current limiter. I'll try and clean this up then and see what it looks like. See if I can clean this one up. Oh yeah, I was testing this quick first. Where is it? This thing. Try and find the ground. Damn it. Don't think that's going to touch ground, is it? No. Ground on here. Can I reach that leg? Potentially. Nope. Oh, just look at the back for ground. Oh, all this side's ground. Okay. Yeah, it seems fine. I think that is ground. I can't get to the ground on that leg. These are all ground, aren't they? No. Yeah. The ground's that side. No, that's not ground. Ah, where's the ground one? None of them. None of them are ground. Whoa. I'm not on that wire properly. So strange. What's this resistor used? Yellow, white, gold, gold. God, so many different colors. This looks like it goes to another capacitor. This yellow thing. It's connected to that. And also connected to this. Whatever, CN2, channel 2. Live and neutral, channel 2. I don't know what that is. What's that for? I don't know what that connects to. Motor, maybe? Yeah, alright, I get it. But yeah, it goes before this transformer. Right, that's all the blown components on there anyway. Let's see if this is reading. I'm sure it's fine. Yeah, 50 ohms, 45 ohms. Right, yeah, let me check this thing, see if we get any view out of that. Excuse my nails, I haven't cut them for a while. I need to do them again. And now my hands are filthy. Oh, even that's all crumbling up. Please give me a reading. Oh, is that some text on there? Come on, please. ON, oh my god, I can't read what that is. ONR, OD2. ON8, ONS, 02. Is there a schematic? I doubt it. Hi Andy, hello Simple Tech. Let's try the other side first. Might be able to get something from maybe another number from this side. Nah, there's no text on this side. Damn it. Is that a Q? 0D2. OD2. QN. I'm seeing different words every time. Can you show me from where the board came off of? Sure, Simple Tech. Just there, right before the live and or after live and neutral. So I'm guessing it is the inrush current sensor.
I'm not joking. It's like...
Yeah, Kyle, I don't have a Sharpie. I'm not privileged. Just after live and neutral. It's blue. I thought it was green, so that's interesting. Yeah, it's in parallel, yeah. Is it in parallel? Yeah, it's in parallel. No, it's in series. Actually, it's in... No, it's parallel. It's in parallel. It will work also without. Yeah, it's fine. I don't want. I want to put it in there anyway. So I'll keep trying to look what these numbers are. OD2 QN. Maybe if I get closer, let's try to get the scope closer. Oh, you guys can't even see anyway. Ugh. Alright, it's as close as I could get it now. QN OD2. Whoa, don't do that. 006. Try and Google it. Oh, you still can't see. Right, here we go. QN. Oh, I want to say that's an O. QNR. QNR. There you go. It's an R. It's a QNR. OD2. OD2. Oh, it's not coming up with anything. Damn it. That's definitely QNR. QNR. Oh, buy a car battery advert. Why are they giving you that? OD2. Oh, I don't think that's enough information. It's got a K on the end there. Let's see it. 200K. There's a K on the end. I can see a K. 11. Can you show me the symbol? It's an N. Water may get more off than IPA. That's the symbol there. It's the N. Thank you, Dreams. Just doing a PS5. Oh, what a surprise. PS5. Everyone's got PS5. This is burnt so much. It's ridiculous. Yeah, I tried typing that in. I typed in QNR. That's obviously the brand name. Then you've got OD. QNR. OD2V. Triangle. 7. I think that's a 7. 7. O. Was that 0? It could be 0. 2D7. Let me try 0. 0. D2 7 something K. 1K. 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 I think it's 1K. 71K. OD271K. It's not come up with anything. Can anyone see the 7 and 1 in the K? I can see the K. I literally can't. Where's my... So I've got 7 there. Then you've got the 1. And then you've got a K. Or was that an R? It should be a K. OD2... B72210S7021K501. Get rid of the Q and R. My internet's really slow. Vichy. Is it Vichy? Oh, I found it. It's Varista. It is an OD271K datasheet. My internet's so slow on my phone. It's the only thing that's loaded because it's still trying to load. It's 'cause it's connected to my Wi-Fi. There you go. Found it. It is an OD271K. Are these equivalents or something? I've never known why there's all different ones.
And he's the best.
No, because this is metal oxide, lead resistor. Is it not a 10D271K? I didn't see anything before that, no. Oh yeah, it says there though, 10D271K, Varista type MYG. Might be that one then. It is a Varista, so yeah, it should be CNR. Oh, is it CNR? What did I say it was? QNR. I can't even see. It says Q though, Pitco. Definitely a Q. Let's have a look at the datasheet for this said one. So this says it's a wide Varista voltage range 18 to 1100 volts. Jesus. Fast response 10D471K. Oh, it could be 10D2. No, 10D47. This says no, that's not the right one then. That's 47. I need a 27. Wait, I'm so confused. Why does the datasheet say different? 10D271K. Yeah, that's what it is. Night, Aurelia. It is a 10D271K. Yeah, it's got to be. Cool. But why is there two different types? You've got a metal oxide Varista or Varista type NYG. So where's that 10? Is it underneath that burn? Let's see if I can expose it. There you go. Just about managed to find it. I want to see that one. And then I just order the parts. I still believe the bridge is fine. Oh, is it? Could be. It is correct. Yeah, I'm going to order stuff tonight. It's just crumbling on me. Is that a one? Yeah, there's the one. There's the one. Just about make it out. Just there, look. It's a small 1, 0, 2. Okay, cool. Right, let me screenshot that so I know what it is. 10D271K. And take a picture of these capacitors. Now it's that resistor. I need to figure out what it is. Two of them. I'm sure the bridge is fine. Andy, Amazon. Yeah, thank you. CNR offers mid-res as QNR due to the font. Oh, seriously? All right, thank you, Pitco. I believe you now. Sorry. Thank you, Simon. I've got to go now anyway, so. Copyright. Copyright. Yeah, copyright. Hello. Yeah, I'm about to get her now. Oh, yeah, thank you. Right, I love you. Forever and always. Bye. Right, guys, sorry, I've got to go.
I've got
Measure
a
coil.
really small one.
Measure one coil to the resistor.
I'm not
and multiply.
joking. It's
Okay.
like
Thanks, guys. Got to go. Got to shoot off quick. I'm going. Thanks for all the lurkers. I'm going out in 3, 2, 1. Bye, guys.